Before we can really dive into the details of carbon credits, we need to take a step back and set the stage. Carbon credits are only becoming such a hot topic because people are starting to talk more and more about the climate as a whole. It comes as no surprise to many landowners, ranchers, and farmers that the environment around you is changing. Summers are getting hotter, droughts are getting drier, and natural disasters are getting more and more frequent. These events are just some of the everyday consequences of what we call climate change.
In the last few hundred years, human society has transformed and industrialized, and as a result, we're emitting a lot of greenhouse gases, such as methane, nitrous oxide, and the biggest, baddest of them all, carbon dioxide or CO2. These greenhouse gases remain trapped in our Earth's atmosphere and create something that we call the greenhouse effect. The atmosphere is a large layer of air that surrounds our Earth, separating us from the vacuum of space, and keeping gases that we, plants and animals need from escaping. Much like a greenhouse creates a warm internal climate for plants during the winter, greenhouse gases help keep the Earth warm by trapping heat energy in our atmosphere. The greenhouse effect has always been around. It's what keeps temperatures on Earth moderate rather than freezing. But as we increase the volume of greenhouse gases in our atmosphere, heat and light from the sun continues to warm our planet more and more.
It's true that the Earth has gone through various environmental changes over the course of its 4.5 billion-year lifetime, but none have been as rapid as what we're seeing now in the human-induced era of global warming. Growing consensus and concern about the climate problem means that more and more people are starting to look closely at what we can do to reduce our carbon footprints. Amid this developing discussion of sustainability, many interesting new ideas are emerging for potential solutions that we could employ to deal with the environmental challenge we face.
Carbon credits are proposed as one of these solutions, but there's still a lot of questions around how they work and how they can help. In the next video, we'll answer the big question: what is a carbon credit? Stay tuned to learn more.